Hey everyone, this is Harshit Sai, an AI automation expert. Most people stuck at lead generation because they are spraying and praying, blasting generic emails, running expensive ads, or posting on social media with no strategy. The results: wasted emails, wasted time, burned budgets, leads that ghosted you. AI changes the game by mixing lead gen precise, scalable, and dirty cheap. Apify lead gen in my agency. I have helped dozens of entrepreneurs fill their pipelines with qualified leads. With this is no BS. 5 minutes guide to the best AI lead gen strategies that actually work. We'll cover how to find high value leads, qualify them automatically, and nurture them to book calls without breaking the bank. The first step is finding the leads who are already in pain and ready to buy. Stop guessing. Use AI to scrape the right data. Tools like Apify or Phantombuster can pull targeted leads from the LinkedIn, Google Maps, or industry forums in minutes. For example, if you're targeting dentists, scrap profiles with keywords like overbook or are hiring to find those who are struggling with scheduling or patients follow-ups. Here how. Step 1. Define your niche and their pain points. Say dentists like losing patients due to slow responses. Step 2. Use AI to scrap to exact names, emails, company details from LinkedIn or review sites. Step 3. Clean the data with AI tools like Open, Refine to remove junk and prioritize decision maker. I generate 200 qualified leads for a client in one day by scraping LinkedIn for SaaS founders. Complaining about the churn cost under $50. Compare that to $500 on ads for the same results. Focus on quality over quantity, and 10 hot leads beats 100 cold ones, right? Once you have leads, don't waste the time chasing the tire kickers. AI chatbots can qualify them 24/7. Tools like ViceFlow or ViceGlow, they will build you bots that ask key questions: what's your biggest challenge with pain point, or what's your budget for solving this? Here's the play. Step 1. Set up a bot on your website or WhatsApp or SMS that engages lead instantly. Step 2. Program it scores leads based on answers, high budget, urgent paying, decision maker, top priority. Step 3. Push qualified leads to your CRM like HubSpot and notify you for follow-up. I built a bot for coaching business that filter out 80% of unqualified leads, boosting their close rate from 10% to 25%. The bot cost $30 a month to run and save 15 hours a week. Clients love this because it's like having tireless sales rep who never sleeps. Most leads won't buy right away. They need nurturing. AI makes this stupidly easy and hyper-personalized. Use tools like Instantly or Lemlist to send emails tailored by AI. Step 1. Feed your lead data from scraping into an AI tool like Claude to craft emails that hit their specific pain points. For example, hi, name. I saw your team struggle with pain points from LinkedIn post. My AI system cuts the time in half. Step 2. Add a Loom video showing a quick demo of your solution. Keep it under 90 seconds. Step 3. Automate follow-ups with AI to tweak subject lines or content based on open rates. I use this land a $1,000 deal with a gym by sending personalized email, and Loom showing how my AI chatbot could boost membership signups by 20% reply rate. 40% personalization is not optional. It's a difference between a response and the spam folder. You can't improve what you don't track. AI analytics tools like Mixpanel or custom dashboards in Google Sheets can show up what you're working. Step 1. Track every lead's journey, source, engagement, conversion. Step 2. Use AI to spot patterns. Or LinkedIn leads converting better than Google Map ones, or certain email subject lines tanking. Step 3. Optimize fast. Double down on what works, what does not. I helped a client cut their ad spend by 30% off because of AI. Showed their Instagram leads were 10x less likely to convert than LinkedIn ones. This takes 10 show up their Instagram leads where this takes 10 minutes to set up and save thousands. Now go build your pipeline and close some deals. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.